Yeah, baby. Hola, mi familia. Morning, team. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, baby. So, if you guys was guessing, I actually made it on the boat. I made it back on the boat. Let me show you guys. We even still have Bahamas. Just a continue that vlog here. Don't know. Made it back on the boat. So far so good. This is my first time on a ship, as you guys may hear in my last like sit down video. First time on a boat, first time in Nassau, first time anywhere else in the Caribbean besides from Jamaica, and so far it has been amazing. If I was to compare the two, please don't, I've already said it in the vlog before this, Jamaica is nicer than Bahamas. Like please, you guys, if you guys think otherwise, it's just my opinion, and please, I'm begging you, I'm entitled to my own opinion. Thank you very much. Yeah, Nassau is a very beautiful place. It has nice places here, but so far what I've witnessed, Jamaica is Jamaica is like way nicer. Nassau is like small. Like I know other islands are here. I didn't get to swim with any peaks, etc, etc, but in due time. But for now, we just test the waters. You see, we just barely get our feet wet, so we now wash our hands for now. You know what I mean? So we test the waters to the Caribbean different, like different. Now me realize, say, yo, Jamaica not really only place on earth, you know, like only place we indicate. Like you have other Caribbean islands and everybody different. Jamaicans different from the persons here in Nassau, are, you know, different from anywhere else in the Caribbean. Jamaica to me, like more down to earth. When I carbon copy, you know, like we're the original thing. You know, every other Caribbean island follow after. Like we set the trend. You know what I mean? So me hear whole heap of dancehall tune over here, whole heap of reggae tune over here. That's all me hear. I know me no hear a song but I say, yo, that probably Bayesian. You know what I mean? Everything me know, say, yo, I yard thing that, yard thing that, yard thing that, yard thing that, yard thing. You know? So me I say, yo, Bahamas is a place to visit, but if I was you, me like, yo, pick a specific destination where me go. More to come like myself, like come and be like, yo, where me can go? You know what I mean? You don't really have much options like that for go and swim around the corner and book up in a sick spot. You know what I mean? You have to like know, say, yo, you go Atlantis or wherever else them say at a spot down here. But so far I love Bahamas, just like that sign. Sure up. Yo, we can't get to the focus, but that sign there, you want to see that slightly, see that red something there? Say I love Bahamas. And so far, as I said, I love Bahamas. Alright, so far on these trips, what I've learned is that camera wise, me need an extra SD card because me I run out of memory like crazy. I'm gonna carry my laptop. My laptop couldn't fit in my bag, so me have to end up leave it so I can just transfer the things at the same time and just have some space to start filming. So I have enough batteries but not enough SD cards. So again, I'd like to say thank you Team Ismash for watching these vlogs. Really appreciate you guys. You guys are like family to me, and sorry if you guys think me I tried twanging at them video, you know what I mean? But just better call it now. I best say for put it. But just a mix so much, you know what I mean? But it's a, you know what I mean? Yo, don't allow me, man. But anyways, you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate you guys for staying here with me and just enjoying life with me. You know me, I try to open up opportunities for myself and also to you guys, expose you guys to what I am now being exposed to, because I know all my life me grew up where I know say, yo, them things I can go on, you know, brother. Me grew up and say like, yo, me just in a box, brother. Grew up like under a rock, like man I know say you can have a little cheese and do a little crows, brother. No, me know them things, so I gotta do more crows, brother. You know what I mean? So yeah, you guys are awesome. You guys are my family. You guys are Team Ismash. I'm just hoping you like them video, because I do them back to back. I do them from the kindness of my heart and my spirit, for to share my life with you guys, because as I say, you guys are so awesome. Like give me a hug, bro. Give me a little hug thing, bro. So yeah, It's amazing. And you guys are the best once and more. And we're gonna start the next vlog in a couple of hours because tonight I heard it's gonna be awesome. I just never believe, I not believe me showing on the ship. Like, I not believe me ever showing like most of the things on, like when the ship a move, like some activities on the ship. Then the next vlog me I say me can show no that. Nothing guaranteed on this vlog because the days them cramped, you know, cramp. Me I gonna miss my flight tomorrow. I just know that. But me not call it down, but it's just tight. Like me have a 11:30 flight and me I leave that the ship expected to dock at 8. So do the maths. In my next vlog I will see you guys and hope you guys enjoy it just to see them. You guys are the best. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff because it helps the channel. It helps the channel. And the bigger the channel, the bigger the package, the bigger the exploration. Yeah, Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog. I'm out.
Yo, we work hard for it somewhere in a life from people we still try kill up. Them don't know why you read so far, I just Christ, but them grudge I feel one little bit cool, but I just a blessing. Holy Spirit shine up on you.